Giants taking on the Patna Pirates. It's day 2. 40 minutes of pulsating action coming your way. My colleague here seems to be a little kicked about beating the Monday Blues. Clearly you're not a Gujarat fan, are you?
If that is anything to go by. But listen, I'll be honest, I wouldn't mind a Gujarat Giants win tonight. It's always nice when you see the underdogs get the better of the favourites. And it's funny how we're calling the Patna Pirates a favourites about 25 days into a new season. The Giants up and running. But yeah, Manpreet Singh versus Sunil Kumar should be a great one, Suren.
We'll come to that in a bit. But that is a massive point for Gujarat Giants. Devang Dalal. Gujarat make it 7 apiece.
Excellent in the right corner. Shubham Shinde with a crucial angle hold to take down the gunman. At the moment, Devang Dalal has only the 1 point and right on cue picks up another. Noida, in the areas around Noida, from the capital city, everyone come around and watch Kabaddi. What a fitting farewell it was, Suren, to the last day in Hyderabad, as we see Shubham Shinde pick up yet another point on Guman Singh. He's had his number for sure. It's not been an easy start for Guman Singh.
The raw super tackle is on. And it's a man who's got the Midas touch. Ayan. Oh, he walks straight into that block. That is phenomenal. From Pratik Dahiya of all people.
That is just an audacious tackle. A raw super tackle, a magar ki jakad.
Clock is ticking. Going to take it a little too deep. Take a look at that. And he pays the price. Last time we saw a fabulous, a brilliant super tackle from Pratik Dahiya, but this time there's a mistake. Did he step into the lobby? The defenders are saying so. Yes, he did. And you can't get into the lobby without getting a touch on any of the players from the opposition. And that is another rough super tackle, Magar ki Jakar.
Something special here. Pull off a touch point, get back, delay that all out, prolong the inevitable. Dubki attempted, ain't gonna happen. Done and dusted, all out, first up, inflicted by the Pirates. For me, the strike rate is just of concern. 20 raids so far, and just the 7 points.
Time is running out. Time is running out. And there's a lot of pressure on Rakesh. He tries to evade, but he goes off. That's another point for the Patna Pirates. Sandeep will come back. Tomorrow, Puneri Paltan will be up in action against Dabang Delhi, but this is a rough super tackle. Look how easy Patna Pirates are making this look. But with 2 men on the mat against this kind of a raiding unit, like the one that Ayan has just showed, is it even the better thing to do? Will the Pirates inflict that all out? Will they take a bigger lead? Yes, they will. The anticipation from that defense was spot on. Pratik Dahiya goes. And it's the all out. The second one of this match on the Giants.
They've fallen short once again in terms of intent for me, the Gujarat Giants. Oh, look at that chain! It was almost as if they knew exactly when Rakesh is going to turn, and the chain was there to stop him in his tracks. We'll save that for another day, my friend. At the moment, super tackle on. Some respite for the Gujarat Giants. A rock super tackle, a Magar ki Jakar. They get the big boy, Devang Dalal, to the bench.
Then on, it's been an onslaught. And as things stand, like Nav mentioned a little while ago, the Patna Pirates will move comfortably into that 3rd spot. You might see a few changes though at the top spot. But what a fabulous win for the Patna Pirates. It's an all-round team effort. Pretty much every member of that team has contributed on the mat.